This is Jack Worldwide, a group of formidable traders around the world that has made a huge mark at the Wall Street, a force to reckon with in the FX hierarchy. Friends, before we start today's episode, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Just go on here, Jack Worldwide FX. You click subscribe, okay? We are at 9:21. Before, I don't pay too much attention to this thing, but I think it's vital for us to keep on subscribing to boost our presence here on YouTube. Okay, so just click here, search on YouTube Jack Worldwide FX. You see our past videos. You can learn a lot from the videos you have there. I think I give it all out from the beginning. I think since 7 years now, about 7 years now, I've been posting on YouTube channel. Though not consistent with it, but if you go through my videos seriously, you learn a lot from what you are going to watch there. Okay, so subscribe here, click on the subscribe button, and then I will see comments on videos, things that you don't understand. When you watch them, you can ask questions and I will be able to attend to it when I have time. Okay, having said that, we are all on goal. We've been holding goal buy orders, and it's amazing. It's been fluctuating to the downside. Some people get confused. I keep on coming in to say, look, keep on holding your buy orders and goal. You are just about to make about 100 to 200 pips. Like I've said, this video is going to show you how to trade profitably in the forex market. I'm just going to give you a few tips, what you look out for before you go on to trade. Okay, you don't just jump into the market because you feel like trading. No, like I've said, on any pair at all, what you do is very simple. You have to analyze the market from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. Simple as that. I've been saying this a couple of years now. Some people even take it to be their strategy, but I don't mind. If you are working on the tips I give you and it works for you, I mean, I'm proud of it. Some even reference me. Some don't want to reference the fact that they got this tip from me. Okay, that's not important anyway, but I'm sure you guys are on profit on gold, as well as EURJPY I gave a few hours ago. EURJPY, the same concept you use, but I'm going to focus more on this EURJPY to see why I said sell EURJPY. Let's have a look. First thing you do to beat the liquidity providers, because some people don't understand what, some people just say, oh, beat the market. I want to beat the market. What market are you beating? Okay, you have to understand that there are some people called liquidity providers. These might be companies, this might be individual, but there is liquidity providers. How do you beat them on their game? What really is liquidity providers in the first place? So you understand where I'm going. Okay, liquidity providers is a person or company that provides, or that provides the price for the buy and sell. The person or company who provides the quote for the buy and sell of any commodity, asset, or currency pair. So they profit basically from the spread of bid and ask. So definitely they are in business to profit as well. So don't feel that when you open a broker, the broker wants to provide you with money. No, they are in business to make money. If you lose, they make more. If you don't lose, they still make money from the spread. That's why, ask yourself, why do you see some broker, when you make the first click to say, oh, I'm buying, let's say you have $1,000 in your account and you choose a lot size of one lot. Let's say you were trading EURUSD and you decide to click sell. Some broker immediately, when you look at this, if you look at this particular portion here called commission, you will see that they have already charged you with a commission. So it means that those liquidity providers, don't really focus much on the spread, but they charge you a commission and provide you with the accurate bid and ask value of that commodity or that asset or that pay. I don't know if you're following me. So basically, there are some brokers that gives you, let's say, a very huge spread, but they don't charge you commission. Two things you must understand here. Some broker don't charge you higher spread, but they charge you commission. So you must understand these things. These are some avenues these liquidity brokers make money. But let's be real. When you lose money, the broker gains. They gain more. Okay? You don't lose money, they still gain from the spread or from the commission. So broker don't lose. That's why we say, or the best traders in the world will tell you, look, be the casino, not the player. This is the casino. You are the player. So how do you beat them on their game? Now, let's get into the real thing, okay? I'm just gonna give you some tip and you can work on it. But at the end of the day, if you come into my course, I'll be able to reveal this secret daily. Because you are a member of the kill zone strategy, you will be able to acquire more skill every day as I trade. I make these short videos or put you in or tag you or open up my screen for you to see what I'm doing every day. You learn from the experience that I have, okay? Fine. This is EURJPY. I said sell EURJPY at what? It's on Facebook. I posted it. It's there. I said sell EURJPY at 126004. Let's look. It's about 6 hours ago. Okay, someone came here, said morning. It's flying down. What's it profit target? Okay, let's have a look at what I gave. Okay, and why I said sell EURJPY. Is it on profit or not? Okay, so let's see. I said 126004. Now the price actually is at 125.658, fluctuating around that level. So this is a monthly chart, as you are seeing here. It's a monthly chart. But the first thing you do is you go onto your monthly chart. Most people don't like to come to monthly chart because they feel, oh, there's no movement here. It's a waste of time. I mean, the market don't even move on. It takes you days to look. What we are doing here on monthly is not to trade. It's for you to see the waves, the pattern, what the market is doing over the years. Then you scale back to a smaller time frame to make entries, okay? So it's for you to understand the direction of the market. How do you understand where this market is going? EURJPY. But when you look at a higher time frame, which is monthly, you are able to see actually where the market is going. As simple as that. There's no point you running around buying indicators, buying whatever. You're wasting your money. Everything you need on this trading journey, it's on your chart. It's on your MT4. Some people prefer to go to TradingView and all the complications of understanding TradingView. Yes, it's good. It's a modern app and all that. But look, your MT4 has been there over years. Thousands of years, hundreds of years, sorry. It's been there. Everything you need is here, okay? You don't need to buy any indicator, whatever, okay? So you want to trade EURJPY, go onto your monthly chart. This is very informative. Please, I'm going to pause here. Click on the YouTube channel, please. Let's go back there. Go take my time here. Click on the YouTube channel, Jack Worldwide FX. You will see about 921 subscribers. Click subscribe. Please do that. And go to one of these videos. Tell me here that you are in. Thank you, friends. Let's do that. I'll give you about 2 minutes to do that. Please do that. Jack Worldwide FX. Click on the subscribe button there. I'm giving you time to do this, please. Everyone should do that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go back there. So you go to your EURJPY that I gave out. I said, this is it. When you look at You have to go, just sit back on your chair, watch the chart. What do you see? Okay, let me go here. In 2011, there was a huge push to the upside. You can see that clearly. A huge push to the upside. I think about over, let's see these pips. Let's take it from here. 2011, it pushed up to 2013. A huge peak there of about 560 pips. It's not a joke. Okay? And then it made a huge, it responded to what happened here. It never went back to this level. It stopped somewhere here. 2013 came back down here. All you are doing on monthly time frame is to understand the direction. Don't create new pattern for yourself, okay? Most of you create new pattern for yourself. You are thinking a lot of things on your head and you want to create that pattern for yourself. No. The trend is your friend. When they say the trend is your friend, it's what I'm trying to show you right now. You saw a huge plunge here of over 1,000 pips. This happened, pushed back, but never went back to this level. It means the bearish influence is still intact. Then it made this push back to 2015 and then went back here 2017, and now we are here 2021. Can you see this? And just by retrospect, by putting up, by marking your levels, I just mark this level now on this. You don't need anything, just mark this level based on those resistance that you see on a higher time frame. This is a huge level here. Can you see that? Then I put that blue line there. The next one you can put, I'm going to just drag it. So you see, I'm just going to drag it. You can see that I drag it here. It's another huge marking. You mark it down. Once you mark these levels down, you are able to see the price naked. Did you see any indicator on my? You don't see any indicator. It's only trend lines and these markings. Okay. When you have this marking like this, you can merely see that this market is still on a bearish influence. You saw this huge plunge here to the downside. If I'm to extend this, it shows you the clear direction of where the market is going. But I really love when the market is like this. You know that the market is coming down here, but it stops somewhere here. If you were to put this trend line here, but while going on the journey, it stops here and went all back up. The market never forget what it did. So whatever is happening here is just a ploy to take people out, and at the end of the day, this market comes back down to where it actually wanted to go, which is here. Friends, remember that your monthly time frame is not for you to make entry. Don't ever look at this market like this and then click sell because, oh, it's on monthly, it's going sell anyway, so let me click sell. No, you are only having an idea. It's like a trend leaving. Let's take for example, a train is leaving London to Scotland. Not anything, I don't know, but let's use a typical example. A train is leaving London to Birmingham, let's say for example, or a train is leaving London to Newcastle. You must understand where is this train going. You don't just jump on the train and say, oh, I think it's actually this one is going to Newcastle, when you don't even ask. So your monthly time frame gives you the direction that you want. Something you must have at the back of your mind to say, this particular pay, I am only going to look at what? Sell entries. So you have seen here on the monthly, just by looking at this chart, without you doing much, you can see that this market is still on a bearish mode. It has not taken off yet or taken off to this level where you will say, oh, now I think I must put a trend line here. If this was to happen, you see that trend line I put there, it touches here, and the next one that came up touches here, and the next one that came up touches here. You can now look for buy entries. But you can see that it's respecting this particular trend line here. And whatever you are seeing here right now, before you know it, it will be down here, just to complete this pattern that it wanted to complete all along. So on monthly, we are done. We have established the fact that EURJPY is on a bearish mode. Okay? So now you are only looking at selling this pay. Whatever the market does, you are looking at opportunity to do what? Sell. So you now scale back. You scale back to your weekly. Actually, weekly is where you plot your levels. Weekly time frame is where you plot these levels like we are seeing here. But in most cases, if you plot well on the monthly, it goes into the weekly. But now you come in here, you can see how the market is returning here. It came back towards this level, make a little push here, and then make some pins. Like I've said before, I think if you scroll my YouTube channel, you will see that I made a video specifically on pins. That the money in Forex is on the pins. If you understand the wicks and the pins, you make money in the Forex market. So here you can see these pins on the weekly, indicating that the momentum is gone. It's actually a bearish mood. I'm still on the bearish mode. You see what happened here? It couldn't sustain it. The pin happened here, but it overlapped it down here, which means the bears are still in control. If this happened and this never came down to this level and passes this level, it shows you that, look, something's about to happen here. It means there's a change in direction. But you see, even when the pin happened, the other price movement overlapped this pin, showing you that, look, the bearish direction is intact. So friends, it's a long video. I'm going to cut it off somewhere, but I'm just trying to show you, giving you an idea of how to trade. You see, you move from monthly to weekly. You can see this particular movement here happening. Selling off. Like I gave out at 126.00 and now it's at 125. Couple of pips there. Let's see. I gave it at let's see. I gave it at 126.0004 about 6 hours ago. I did that. Okay, let's say somewhere there. Yeah, exactly here I gave out. Can you see the number of pips we've got already? Let's see the number of pips we've got already. Now we've got about 31 pips in profits. So if we were to use a standard lot, you know what that means. Okay, about $3,000 made. So friends, I'm flipping through to daily. So when you look at daily, you are only looking for opportunities to sell. Okay, and if you look at this, why I gave that entry was because I saw it breaking this level. You can see if you put in your trend, your horizontal line, you can see clearly that the market broke this level all along. But I was waiting for a confirmation. I could have said sell at 126.294, but no, because this can as well be a wick. It goes in here and wicks back and goes up. What do? You lose. So I waited for this confirmation clearly. If I take the camera close, you see that the market wicked back here, but the next one that came out never went up. It showed you a clear bearish candle. So we're going to hold this trade for couple of more pips. Once if the market goes, it depends on how the speed is. If this market goes in, like what happened here, you see, it pushes up in a straight line. If it happens here, we just scale in with our stop loss and allow the market to do what it does best. Give you the pips that you need. Probably 100 to 200 pips on this pay, all right? That's on EURJPY. So friends, you must understand how to scale into a bigger time frame, and then how to go to a bigger time frame, then scale back into smaller ones to make specific entries. There are a lot of things I'm going to show you when you come into the course, how to make entries and exit, how to make consistently, not just a joke, how to make consistent, you make profit consistently, not just you make money today, tomorrow you lose. That's not how to grow your account. Okay, so basically friends, I want to see the response here on the YouTube channel, Jack Worldwide FX. Click on the subscribe button. I will see that you are new. When I say that you are new, whatever question you ask, I will try my best to answer it and see how I can put you on the program. So this is YouTube channel, Jack Worldwide FX. Subscribe to this channel, click it. Don't be afraid. When you click this video, it helps you and others who are also not aware of what we are doing. A lot of people come in and say, wow, I never saw this happening. I never saw this kind of channel before. So when you click here, you are helping others. to have a view of what we are doing, to make these videos visible for them to see. Okay, that's the least you can do for now. So friends, basically that's how you go on making money in a very easy manner. Okay, you attract wealth to yourself. Okay, what I'm trying to do here at Killzone Strategy is very simple. It's for me to assist you, okay, and equip you with all those understanding that you need in the forex market, and how you can make it work for you. You know, you must have the ability to access this, make others also see what we are doing, and then we take it on from there, friends. I believe this helps. A lot of you have been wasting money going around with so many courses and all that. Also, I want to show you guys something on Facebook as well. When you come into my Facebook, please invite. Just click like this. When you go into this, click here, Forex Killzone Strategy of the Wall Street. Invite your friends. Invite. When you do this, see, when you do this, you invite all your friends to the group. Okay, you can invite as many as. Okay, when I see that, I'll be able to also assist you in understanding what you're doing. You can talk to me at anytime on Facebook here. Also on the Telegram channel, Master Killzone is there. I think I gave it out here. It's also there. So talk to me directly and I'll be able to help you. Okay? Thank you and God bless.